Ever wondered why starting a YouTube channel seems like an uphill battle? Well, you're not alone. Many budding content creators find themselves grappling with similar challenges. Gaining a substantial number of subscribers can feel like chasing a mirage in the desert. You put in hours of work, crafting what you believe is engaging content, only to see the view count trickle in at a snail's pace. And monetization? That's a whole other beast to conquer. It's a labyrinth of algorithms, ad placements, and viewer retention rates that can leave even the most astute mind in a whirl. It's a struggle, no doubt. But what if I told you there's a guidebook to navigate these murky waters? A compass to point you in the right direction? Enter the book, YouTube Secrets Hacks for Beginners, by Blake Preston and Brian Scott Fitzgerald. It promises to be your beacon in this YouTube odyssey. But fret not, we have the answers to your YouTube woes right here in this book. So, what does this book offer that makes it a game changer for YouTube beginners? Well, let's dive into the treasure trove that is YouTube Secrets Hacks for Beginners, a complete guide for making money with video content, and become a YouTube influencer with strategic content and monetization techniques, by Blake Preston and Brian Scott Fitzgerald. This book is like a roadmap, guiding you through the labyrinth of YouTube, demystifying the process of becoming a successful YouTuber. Firstly, the book hones in on the importance of creating engaging and strategic content. It's not just about throwing content out there and hoping it sticks. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what they want and delivering it in a way that is both captivating and unique. The authors emphasize the need for a well-defined content strategy, one that is flexible and adaptable, changing as your audience's needs and interests evolve. Moving on, the book uncovers the secrets to becoming a YouTube influencer. It's not just about the number of subscribers or views. It's about establishing a genuine connection with your audience, becoming a trusted voice in your niche. The book offers actionable tips on how to build your personal brand, how to engage with your audience, and how to establish a strong and loyal community around your channel. Lastly, the book presents techniques for effective monetization. The authors debunk the myth that monetization is solely about ad revenue. They introduce other avenues such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. They explain how to leverage these techniques effectively, maximizing your income while maintaining the trust and loyalty of your audience. The book is a goldmine of information, offering strategies that go beyond the basic tips and tricks. It offers a comprehensive approach to YouTube success, addressing the challenges and obstacles that beginners often face, the very struggles we discussed in Scene 1. With these secrets and hacks, the road to becoming a successful YouTuber isn't as daunting as it seems. With determination, creativity, and the knowledge you'll gain from this book, you're well on your way to becoming a YouTube sensation. So you've learned the secrets? What's next? Now comes the exciting part: implementing the strategies. These aren't just words on a page, they're tools in your toolkit, ready to be used to build your YouTube empire. Consider the challenges you've been facing. Is it the struggle of gaining subscribers, or perhaps the difficulty of creating engaging content? Maybe it's the daunting task of monetizing your channel. Whatever your struggle is, these strategies are here to help you overcome them. Start by creating a game plan. Identify the areas you want to improve and the goals you want to achieve. Then decide which strategies from the book will help you reach those goals. But remember, it's not about trying everything at once, it's about strategic implementation. So, take it one step at a time. Experiment with different techniques and measure your progress. Learn from your successes and failures, and most importantly, stay persistent. Remember, the secret to YouTube success lies in the application of these strategies. So, go ahead, apply these hacks, and start your journey to becoming a YouTube influencer today.